So a thing happened. I got back from vacation yesterday and I had 2 boxes waiting for me, and one of them is my 1st October Stitch Fix. So let's find out what I got this month. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of thing. If you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button. If you hit the notification bell, you'll always be notified when I put out a new video and won't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. If you like this video, please give me the like, leave me a comment, help me grow my channel. And I do appreciate everybody who does those things. I appreciate you for just taking time out of your day to watch my video. It means so much to me. Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service, and they will send you 5 items. And they send you a preview of 10 items, so you can choose all of your items from that preview. If you only choose a few, then your stylist will fill in to give you 5. They do give you a dedicated stylist. My stylist name is Marcia. I've had her for, I want to say we might be going on 2 years. I'm not sure. She's been great. She has just been awesome. So there's a $20 styling fee, although I have the Style Pass, which has been inconsistent in terms of whether or not they're renewing Style Passes, but they did renew mine last month. So I did a preview and I think I chose 2 things. I can't remember what I said I was looking for other than probably fall transition pieces. So there is my bundle, and we have got some nice colors. All right. Gonna take off the wrapper. Stitch Fix also has what they call their freestyle shop, where you can just go in and choose items. They'll send them to you. You pay for them up front. You have, I think, 30 days to decide whether you want to keep them. And if you don't want to, you can send it back. So they also have that service. This is on top, is a top by CECE. You know what? Let's take a peek. I always I don't like to look at my prices, but I do like to look at the note. Hi Andrea, happy 100th Fix Day. It's not the official 100, but we will celebrate anyway. So I had 2 fixes go lost. I see that you made some great choices from the Fix preview. The true red color and the jean jacket will be a great addition to your wardrobe. I looked again for those hard to find black jeans, but did not have luck. So I reviewed what you had saved in your freestyle shop to give me some inspiration. So you can save items in your freestyle shop. Your stylist can see that, and then they can send you those items if they're available to them. I added 2 cardigans that are similar to what you had saved, and I think they will be great for fall transition. I also added a cute long sleeve knit top from Gilli to layer under either of the cardigans with jeans. I hope that you love these options and that they make it into your wardrobe. I look forward to your YouTube video review coming soon. Okay, so on top, we have a very pretty top by CECE. And it has got these sheer sleeves. I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be a 3/4 length sleeve with these pearls. I think that is super pretty. Will be nice for the holiday season. Yeah, and the material feels like a polyester. So let's take a quick peek at the material. And it is 96 polyester, 4% spandex, and the sleeve is 100% polyester. And it is hand wash, line dry. So I think that's pretty. It looks like it might be a little boxy, so we'll have to see how that goes. And then next up we have by Gilli is this double V in the front, V in the back, and it is like a burgundy and cream stripe. It is ribbed, long sleeve, nice and soft. That's really cute. I like that. Let's see what it's made of. And it is 52 polyester, 32 cotton, 11 rayon, and 5 spandex. I think that's cute. I don't have anything like that, so I'm really optimistic about that. Then we've got a Love Ellie cardigan. I think that's probably what she thinks would look good with this. And it is a longer cardigan with pockets. Can you see the pocket? I don't know that you can see the pockets. It's got a seam down the back, nice feeling material. And it is 50 rayon, 26 polyester, 22 nylon. Feels really nice, feels really soft. Like the color. Again, that burgundy is hot, hot, hot this year. So like that. Then we've got the Evolution by Cyrus Tyler zip up cardigan. And this has like texture. I think I might have chosen this from my preview. I don't know. That feels like it might be itchy. Let's see what it's made of. Yeah, 51 acrylic and 49 cotton. I think that would be super cute. We'll just have to see how it feels. When I put it up to my neck, I'm thinking, does that feel itchy? All right. And then last we have the Liverpool jacket in this kind of darker red. And it is probably like cotton, I'm gonna guess, because it's, you know, like a denim jacket. It is a denim jacket. And 57 cotton, 25 viscose, 9% modal, 6% polyester, and 3% elastane. So that is a nice fall color. And it looks like it's gonna be, you know, kind of come in at the waist. All right, so we got some tops to try on. I'm excited. Great box, great choices. I'm not gonna show you my outfit of the day because I showed it in my previous video. I'm actually not even sure which one I'm gonna put up first, but you don't need to see the same outfit of the day twice. But as I said, I came home from vacation last night and there were 2 boxes and I just wanted to get them filmed so that I can start deciding what I'm gonna keep. All right, so let's try some stuff on. So this is the top by Gilli, and it has got the V-neck, fairly low V. It has got these kind of wide, it sits, you know, kind of on the edge of the shoulders. It's full length, but you could of course bunch it up a little bit, give it a 3/4 length look. It's got the stripes, that's the back, it's got the V in the back. I think this is really cute. Just a cute, lightweight top that's a little different. So what do you think? I like it. This has got, you know, strong possibilities. I wanted to try it on with the denim jacket because I actually felt like the denim jacket is almost like a rust color, and this is all, you know, kind of borders on rust. So that's it with the jacket. I think I could wear those together. Cute jacket, cute jacket. Like I said, it's a little slimmer fitting than sometimes denim jackets are. And I think I would call this a brick red. Now, I know it's gonna be pricey because Liverpool is pricey, but they're also very good quality. And I actually think this, what do you think? Is this a cute look or are the colors too different? I think it's kind of a very cute look. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, she had also suggested layering the striped top under the both of the cardigans, and the arms are kind of long on this, but you can always pull them up. It's got the pockets. It's a longer cardigan. Somebody said the other day, oh my goodness, and it's got 2 big pulls on it, 2 big snags. Okay, so that's not good. Somebody the other day said that long cardigans were no longer in. I don't know. I think, you know, I think this is a cute look. I don't know about. Yeah, I think that would go okay. I mean, if I decided I was going to keep this cardigan, I would have to exchange it because there's 2 snags right here. I have that happen a lot with Stitch Fix. Let me know if you do too. There was one time I got a sweater and there was a snag in it, and I sent it back, and they sent me another one that had a snag in it, and they told me just to keep it, and then they sent me another one. Finally, that one didn't have a snag in it. But I think it's a cute cardigan, nice material, lightweight. If I can exchange it, definitely will be a possibility. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, here is the cardigan by Evolution by Cyrus. I had a little bit of an issue with the zipper, so I'll have to check that. But I think this is cute. It feels fine. It doesn't, I'm not feeling the acrylic. I like the texture. It's got zipper, so I don't have anything underneath, so I'm not gonna unzip it, but I could, so it could give me a couple different looks. I like this. I think it's, you know, again, a little bit different, just a little bit different than just a plain sweater. Let me know what you think of it. It's, you know, classic navy blue. Can't go wrong with that, right? This is a good box, guys. So this is the top by CECE, and I think the pearls on the sheer sleeves is a really, really pretty detail. Just kind of a scoop neck. It is boxy, and it might be harder to tell, but it kind of flares out a little bit. It's got like a little bit of a rounded hem, and I tried doing like a front tuck, and it feels kind of boxy. So I don't love it. I think it's got some super cute details, but I don't love it. So that's from the side, the back, and if I just left it out, that would be from the side. Trying to decide what I would wear it with, because it is a dressier top, so it's not, you know, it would be better if it came down low enough to cover the bum. So if it was more of like a tunic length, because then you could wear it with like faux leather leggings, or I have velvet leggings, but I don't, you know, it hits kind of right in the middle of the bum, so I don't think that that would be a good look. All right, let's do prices and a recap. I got to tell you, one of the things I love about having gone curly is I can do try-ons and it doesn't trash my hair, because my hair looks kind of crazy all the time anyway. All right, such a great box. Crazy that I've been sent 100 fixes. This is not an inexpensive box. So we'll go through each item and then I'll give you the subtotals. As suspected, the Liverpool Classic Jean Jacket is $109. And I'm just trying to decide how I feel about this color, because I look at it and I see I see rust. I could guess it could be brick red. I think it's a good color for the season. I'm just not sure if I love it enough. I like it. I'm gonna have to try it on again and decide what I think. Great quality, but $109 is an investment. Then we've got the CECE Sportswear Trixie long sleeve mixed media crew neck top. This is $69, and that's an easy no, because I just didn't feel like it was that flattering of a fit, and 69 is pretty high. Thought the sleeves, take those sleeves off, put it on a more fitted top, I think you would have had me. All right. Next up is the Gilli Tati long sleeve V-neck crinkle knit tee, I think it is. And this is $45. And I think this is just super cute, so I'm definitely keeping that. It's different, it's cute. 45 is pretty reasonable. The Love Ellie Wells Thermal Double Pocket. I always cut off the title on the price sheet. Open cardigan in burgundy. This is $49. I might keep that if I can exchange it for one that's not snagged. Although the Evolution by Cyrus Tyler zip up cardigan is $78. And I thought that was really cute. It's, you know, it's a nice, solid, heavy weight, not heavy, but a nice weight. It's got the, you know, that very unique texture. You could wear it zipped up, you could wear it unzipped. It is, you know, it's an open weave, so it wouldn't be too warm. That's the thing. Sometimes those open weave things are actually on the cool side, but then I could wear something under it. I feel like this is more unique and interesting than that cardigan. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. All 5 items came to $350, and that buy all discount would take off $87.50, which would bring it down to $262.50. So I'm not going to keep all items. And this is one of those things where you have to do the Stitch Fix math. Like if I loved everything, but didn't love this, well, this is $69, but if I kept everything, that would take off $87. So it would basically be keeping this for free. And then I could try to sell it on Poshmark. I don't want to keep anything that I don't really love, that I don't feel is, you know, I'm really excited to wear. And I do feel very excited about these 2 items. So at this point, I am almost certainly going to keep these 2. Not sure about the Liverpool jacket. I think it's the price and not loving the color. Anyway, let me know what you thought, what you think I should keep. And yeah, we'll, you know, there will be another box coming. And until next time, fashion friends, thumbs up to Marsha. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link below. That will give you $25 off. It'll also give me a $25 credit, which helps me keep doing these videos, and greatly appreciate that. So, all right, until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.